This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Christy Gurley. Beautifully maintained, this 3-bedroom 2-bath ranch home sits on 1.5 acres. Built in 2019 with lots of upgrades including a large screened porch, asphalt driveway, and recently installed sun porch. Living room is open to the kitchen and dining area. Enjoy cooking and entertaining in the chef's kitchen with lots of cabinets and granite countertops. Large master suite with tray ceiling, access to screened porch, and spacious walk-in closet. Relax year-round on the screened porch or sun porch. Lots of new trees planted along with many flowers. What a wonderful place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Christy Gurley at 865-693-1111.